It's Red Scratchers. I am back at my grandma and grandpa's house with the LiftMaster 8360. Now, me and my grandpa just finished lubing it. So I decided to do a little video. Here's the remote over here, but I don't know where I put it. Oh, here it is. Yeah, I got to keep one of the remotes like this. I have another one inside of that one's to this one though, so I don't get to keep that, but I got to keep one. All right, let's run it. Now you can tell it still has the squeak, a little bit of a squeak, but doesn't really matter here. We can run it down with the keypad. Let's run it back up. It's actually really quiet. Alright, and then we will run it down with the remote. This button doesn't do anything. This doesn't either, but this one does. Alright, that'll be it. Hope you guys enjoyed.